The top 6 vitamins that help shrink an enlarged prostate enlargement, also known as BPH, is a very common condition affecting men, especially those over the age of 50. This issue can make normal urination difficult, lead to frequent bathroom trips, and cause discomfort or pain around the pelvis, lower abdomen, and the area between the scrotum and anus. So what exactly is happening? As shown in this image, the prostate is a small gland located behind the pubic bone and directly beneath the bladder, which is the organ responsible for storing urine. When the prostate begins to swell, grow, or become enlarged, it presses against the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the bladder. Signs of prostate enlargement. This pressure can result in poor bladder control, a sudden and urgent need to urinate even when very little urine is produced, a weak urine stream that may stop and start repeatedly, or difficulty initiating urination in the first place. If prostate enlargement is ignored and left untreated, it may progress into prostatitis, recurring infections, and even raise the risk of developing prostate cancer. Research shows that prostate enlargement is commonly driven by hormonal imbalances, particularly an accumulation of anabolic hormones such as estrogen, insulin, and DHT within the body. In today's video, we're going to break down 6 powerful vitamins that may help reduce prostate swelling back to its normal size and significantly improve urinary flow. You'll also discover simple lifestyle adjustments that can address the root causes behind prostate enlargement. When I use the word vitamins, I'm using it broadly to include phytonutrients, essential minerals, and herbal compounds that support prostate health naturally. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so always consult your healthcare professional if you have medical concerns. Zinc is one of the most critical minerals for reducing prostate enlargement and restoring healthy male hormone balance. It helps prevent testosterone from converting into estrogen or DHT by blocking enzymes known as aromatase and 5-alpha reductase. By correcting this hormonal imbalance, zinc helps lower inflammation and allows the prostate gland to gradually shrink. You may choose to take a daily supplement of about 30 mg of zinc chelate, zinc bisglycinate. Alternatively, zinc can be obtained naturally from whole food sources such as pumpkin seeds, oysters, crab meat, beef, organ meats, watermelon seeds, and sugar-free dark chocolate. Important note: if supplementing with zinc, make sure you also consume copper through trace mineral blends, since excessive zinc intake may deplete copper levels. Phytosterols. Phytosterols are natural plant compounds that have been shown to help enlarged prostates shrink and improve urine flow by blocking DHT activity. They also help reduce cholesterol absorption in the bloodstream, lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. Many men use phytosterols to combat male pattern baldness, which is also caused by excess DHT, dihydrotestosterone. Excellent dietary sources include pumpkin seeds, sesame oil, macadamia nuts, green peas, and extra virgin olive oil. Try to include these foods regularly, especially pumpkin seeds. Phytosterols are also found in supplements such as saw palmetto, which is particularly rich in beta-sitosterol and has strong evidence supporting prostate size reduction. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and nutrition tips. Lycopene tomatoes of all varieties are packed with a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. This red plant pigment belongs to the carotenoid family and helps protect cells throughout the body from oxidative stress. Studies show that lycopene intake can lower PSA levels, support prostate shrinkage, and reduce the overall risk of prostate cancer by helping rebalance testosterone levels. This becomes especially important as men age, since testosterone naturally declines while estrogen rises, often triggering prostate enlargement. Cooking tomatoes increases lycopene absorption by up to 4 times, making cooked tomato products far more beneficial. Start consuming homemade cooked tomatoes regularly, as they are one of the most powerful prostate-supporting foods available. Lycopene is also included in some prostate health supplements, usually as part of a plant nutrient blend, though obtaining it from food remains the easiest approach. Additional sources of lycopene include basil, grapefruit, goji berries, and asparagus. Green tea, EGCG. One of the simplest habits you can adopt to support prostate shrinkage is drinking green tea consistently. Matcha green tea is considered the highest quality form and contains high concentrations of a catechin known as EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG blocks the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, preventing testosterone from converting into DHT, a key driver of prostate growth. Drinking approximately 3 to 5 cups daily has been shown to dramatically reduce inflammation within the prostate, allowing damaged tissue to heal and return toward normal size. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that must be consumed regularly from plant-based foods such as leafy greens, vegetables, fruits, and berries. Foods like cabbage, sauerkraut, strawberries, bell peppers, and cruciferous vegetables strengthen your body's antioxidant defense system. This natural vitamin C complex helps protect prostate cells from oxidative damage and lowers the risk of prostate cancer development. Vitamin C also assists in regulating cortisol, a stress hormone that can disrupt hormone balance and contribute to prostate problems. Avoid standard over-the-counter ascorbic acid supplements, as these typically contain only about 5% of the full vitamin C complex found in nature. If supplementing, choose whole food powders such as acerola cherry, rose hips, or camu lauric acid. As mentioned earlier, prostate enlargement is frequently linked to elevated DHT levels in the body. Testosterone can convert into DHT, stimulating excessive prostate tissue growth, leading to urinary difficulties and increased cancer risk. Lauric acid is a medium-chain fatty acid found in coconut oil that has been shown to significantly inhibit this conversion process. By blocking testosterone to DHT conversion, lauric acid may help prevent and reverse prostate enlargement. I recommend cooking with raw, organic, unprocessed coconut oil to replace inflammatory vegetable oils that may be worsening prostate inflammation. Later in the video, we'll cover 6 actionable steps you can begin using immediately to shrink an enlarged prostate. Causes of enlarged prostate. Before that, let's examine the underlying factors that may be triggering prostate enlargement in the first place. 6 causes of prostate enlargement. BPH. The most common cause is consuming excessive refined foods such as sugar, white flour, and processed grains, which drain zinc levels and elevate estrogen, insulin, and DHT. Being overweight further increases risk, as higher body fat raises estrogen and insulin levels, 2 hormones strongly linked to prostate growth. As men age, stomach acid production declines, reducing nutrient absorption, particularly zinc, which is essential for prostate health. Liver dysfunction can also create hormonal imbalances, since the liver is responsible for filtering excess hormones. Sugar, alcohol, industrial vegetable oils, and non-organic foods sprayed with pesticides can damage the liver and disrupt hormonal regulation. Finally, if prostate enlargement already exists, dairy products may worsen the condition due to their prolactin content, a growth hormone that can stimulate prostate tissue. How to shrink enlarged prostate. Now let's explore 6 practical action steps to rebalance hormones and reduce inflammation. Eat a daily salad made with organic cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, radish, arugula, kale, collard greens, or cabbage. These contain phytonutrients that support liver detoxification, eliminate excess hormones, and increase antioxidant production within the prostate. Consume a small handful of pumpkin seeds every day. These are among the most effective BPH-fighting foods available. Their zinc, phytosterols, and vitamin E work together to reduce prostate size naturally. Completely remove inflammatory vegetable oils such as canola, soybean, corn, cottonseed, and margarine. Replace them with raw coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. Also eliminate dairy products like milk and cheese, which may aggravate an enlarged prostate. Begin high-intensity interval training. Just 10 minutes of HIIT twice per week can significantly boost testosterone and lower estrogen, insulin, and DHT levels. Exercise also helps burn excess blood sugar, reducing inflammation within the prostate gland. Eliminate processed foods, including sugars, breads, cereals, pastries, and sweets. Replace them with whole foods such as tomatoes, grass-fed beef, shellfish, wild-caught salmon, and avocados. These foods contain nutrients that support prostate function and healthy seminal fluid production. If you carry excess belly fat or consume alcohol daily, you may be dealing with fatty liver disease, a major contributor to hormonal imbalance. In this case, intermittent fasting can be extremely effective. Consume all daily calories within a 4-hour eating window and fast for the remaining 20 hours. Fasting is one of the most powerful tools for shrinking an enlarged prostate and removing excess fat from the liver. If you're unsure whether you have fatty liver, tap the video on your screen now to learn the 8 warning signs of fatty liver disease. 8 signs you have a fatty liver. Tap here. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and as always, I wish you excellent health, lasting wealth, and true happiness.